This is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic and welcome to another edition of Money Making Monday. And today we're going to show you a video of an app called ClipClaps. Now, ClipClaps is a place where you can essentially get paid watching funny videos. So I've already made $1 watching videos already, and most of these clips here are all funny clips. And apparently, he just got slapped by his boob. And that's how you essentially get paid. You essentially watch the clips from each of the videos that you see on the page here. And as you can see on the bottom, it shows the amount of time that you need to win raffle tickets to earn money and cash prizes. You can also earn clap coins, and you can see on the top there your US dollars. So that's essentially how you earn money from this app. You just scroll down, you like the videos, you can also comment and reshare the videos, and then you can see on the bottom that the prize is still going here. And then there are a lot of funny videos that you can see here. So you essentially have a lot of options. You essentially can get paid to watch funny clips. And okay, wow, nothing can stop him. Yeah, definitely. And each clips are like a few seconds to at least a minute long, and essentially that's what it is. So there are some videos that automatically play. So this one's an 18-second clip, and we're just going to play that back and see what happens here. Okay. This is like a homemade neti pot video. Okay, that's pretty talented. And as you can see, as you go down here where the stopwatch and the treasure chest is, it gets you closer to each prize. And then every video you watch contributes to that. So the best thing to do is look at pictures, and we can also watch videos, and essentially you earn prizes. So let's say you've earned enough. So you go down to rewards, and then you can go to any of the treasure chests here to open any of the apps. And you can exchange it for cash, raffle tickets, and such. And then you can also play games on here to earn coins, which is really, really nice. And I think these are apps that you can install, but actually I think these are the games that come with the app. So you can watch videos, play games, and earn rewards. So this is one of the easier apps that you can do, and then you can exchange your coins for $5 and $10 and so forth. So you just have to keep watching and earning. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Have a great day. Good job.